Okay, so question number 1 of exercise 5C. Exercise 5C. Question number 1. Okay, there is a table given in question number 1, and in that table, they have given us few of the values are given and few of the values are missing, and they are telling us to find the rest of them. Okay, so principal, rate, interest, time, amount, all 5 things are included in this question. Okay, so first of all, I am going for question number 1, part A. Right, in part A, they are saying that a person is depositing $12,000. A person is depositing $12,000. Okay, at a rate of 8%. At a rate of 8% for 7 years. For 7 years, and you have to find interest and you have to find amount, total amount, and you have to find interest also. Okay, so how will you start your working? First of all, I am going for I equals to PRT over 100. I equals to, what is P given? $12,000. What is R given? 8. What is T given? 7 over 100. Okay, simplifying it, these two zeros will be cancelled by these two ones, right? So 120 into 8 into 7, my final answer of interest is coming 6720. Okay, and then they are saying that I have to find amount, I have to find A. So A equals to P plus I, right? A equals to, what is P coming? 12,000. What is I am getting? 6720. So when I will finalize it, my final answer of amount is coming $18,720. That is going to be your final answer. 1E we are going to do. They are saying in 1E we have to find principal. They haven't given us principal. In 1E they are telling us to find rate. That is also not given. And time 2 years is given. Time is given 2 years. And then they have given us simple interest amount, that is $360. Okay, and they have given me total amount, that is $3960. Right, these are the things which is given to me, and what is missing, they have given us that principal is not there and rate is not there, and they are telling me to find it. Okay, how will I do it? First of all, I am going for principal. Principal have two formulas can be there. One is it is part of I equals to PRT. Secondly, it is part of A equals to P plus I. A is given, I is given, I can find P. So A equals to P plus I, that's the formula. Shifting A, I over here, A minus I equals to P. Right? So when I will simplify it, this will become P equals to, what is the value of A? The value of A is given 3960 minus I value is given 360. So P equals to $3,600. P equals to $3,600. That's the principal amount I'm getting. How I have got it? I have solved it. I have solved these two by using this formula to get this thing. Okay. After that, I have to find rate. We know that I equals to PRT upon 100. That's the formula. I have to find R. So what will I do? I will 100 will be multiplied with I, and PT, which are being divided by R, will be written in numerator. Simplifying it, this is will be equals to R. Okay. So what is I coming? I was given to me as 360 multiplied by 100. P is given to me 3600 into time is given to me 2 years, and I have to find rate. Okay. Both two zeros will be cancelled by these two zeros. 36 ones are 36 tens are. Okay, and then 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So the rate is coming 5%. That's your final answer of rate. Okay. Okay, 1H we are going to do. In 1H, they have given us, first of all, principal is not given. Rate is given 5%. Okay, then time is not given. Time I have to find. Simple interest amount is given to me $90, and total amount is also given. Total amount is also given $1290. Okay. First thing, principal is missing. So I will try to get the value of principal. What's the value of two formulas are there for principal? One is I equals to RT, PRT. I can use this one, but the problem is there. From there, T is also missing. So I can't use my formula I equals to PRT. But there is another formula A equals to P plus I. Okay, so I will be shifted over here. A minus I equals to P. What is A value given to me? The A value is given. P equals to A value is 1290 minus I value is 90. Okay, simplifying it, my principal will be equals to $1,200. My principal will be equals to $1,200. Okay, so I have got my principal. Now I have to get the value of time. So I equals to P R T over 100. I have to find this one. So I'm shifting everything on the other side. I into 100 divided by PR equals to T. What's the value of I given, beta? Value of I is given 90 into 100 over P value is given. P value I have found 1200 and R value is given 5 equals to time. Okay. So these two zeros will cancel these two, right? And then I can solve it 5, 1, and this will become 5, 1, 8, 18. And 18 over 12, this will become 3 over 2. So the final answer of time is coming 3 over 2 years. Okay. When interest rate is given and it is given in per annum form, so whatever time I am going to get, that will be in years. 3 over 2 years means 1.5 years. Okay. And I can shift it in terms of months also. If I want to, for that I have to multiply it by 12. So when I will be multiplying it by 12, 1.5 multiplied by 12. So it can be written in months. So I equals to 18 months. That will be your final answer. Okay. Over here, they are not telling us in which form I have to give answer. So I have given it in both forms. It's totally your choice in this question how you want to answer it.